Hey, real quick, I want to show you some pictures here of a car that you can tell has a little bit of blood on it. Reason being is because someone tried to jack the car up and failed. Fortunately, they did survive, but this was a few months back, out back of my parents' house, and you could tell where the jack isn't a quality jack. The car wasn't positioned in a flat situation, and it was uh, it was in the middle of the car, not towards the area that they wanted to work on. Say it was a tire where they wanted to do brakes. We're not really not sure what they wanted to do, but the car was not positioned properly, and there was no jack stand. There has to be a jack stand. If you are going to do any kind of DIY stuff under the vehicle on the ground, please make sure that you have a quality jack to raise the vehicle up, and then have yourself a good jack stand to support it while you're underneath of it. Take all the precautions necessary so that you're not injured, whether it's a minor or it's a fatal situation. Many people don't. Many people are injured. Some are fatally injured. You don't want that. Okay. All right. See ya.